Creating portfolio on the Canva using your Android phone is a pretty easy thing to do, and in this video I will be telling you exactly how you guys can do it. So number one thing is that installing the Canva in your mobile phone. So go to the Play Store. So once you have searched Canva, go ahead and install it and make sure that it's up to date. So once you have installed it, all you have to do is to open it up. Now, when you have opened it up, all you have to do is to make sure that you go ahead and create a portfolio in a documented form or any visual form, because you can find a bunch of templates available online. For example, you guys can go ahead and search for the template like portfolio, and there will be a bunch of templates that are available. You can simply go ahead and use them. So for example, there are 16,900 templates available for the portfolio. And as you guys can see that one of the portfolios are available right here. We're gonna just go with it. So there are different sort of formations. For example, this is a creative portfolio in this form, and then we can have a documented form as well. If we go with the left side, and on the left side, just wait a few seconds till it's completely booted up. And now you guys can see that I have two pages right here, and I can create the portfolio within it. I can go ahead and design the elements. I can use different sort of elements to edit my stuff. I can even upload my own photos. I can add tags. I can add different sort of things. I can even draw. So by using all the tools and stuff, I can create my own portfolio using the Android phone Canva version of application. So this is pretty much it. I hope you find this really helpful.